connection there. But anyway, this only fits one way. Put your float back in, snap it in place, and then once you get that done, then you're going to put your deal back on here. So just getting that a little bit wet kind of helps slippery it on. You don't want to have your O-ring squished in. Hold the camera from you. It's just kind of tight seal here. Let's try that way. Could put probably a little bit of silicone oil or something there to kind of get a little lube on it. See there, now we're getting it. It's all plastic. There, see, and it's got to be sealed good. And we can put these back on. Now let's see here. Shift it out here. There we go. There we go. There we go. There. Now we can put this back. The reason why I had this all on the cardboard is because this stuff will kill your grass. Put this on first because it was kind of put on. And there's that O-ring there, so you just kind of slip it around there. There you go. Get your choke put on. And remember I had this deal here. And slipped in, and then just bend it back. All you have to do. There. And then after that, put this thing on. And it only goes on one way. Put your shiny 7mm screws back on. Make sure it's upright. There you go. Don't want to over torque it. Ooh. And then these two little guys that hold on the outside. Yeah, I think those are the bigger ones. Yeah. Back to the 8mm.